Hello my friends and welcome back to the Traveling Bears channel. Today we are going to continue our Qatar Airways journey. I am now at Doha International Airport and I am so ready to board the iconic Boeing 777 and check out the Qsuite. Before we board, I will take you to the brand new Mourjan Garden Lounge. Now I'm in the star of today's video, the Boeing 777 Qatar Airways with the Qsuite. Short reminder before takeoff, if you haven't subscribed to our channel till now, hit the subscribe button, and if you like that video, please leave us a like. It will definitely help our channel to grow and it's for free. And now, sit back like I do, take a glass of wine, champagne or alcohol free and enjoy that business class review. Here is the entrance. On the left side you come up with an elevator, and then on the right side you have the Louis Vuitton lounge, really stylish. Really nice. That's the a la carte restaurant here. You can have a seat, enjoy the dinner. But I had already a lot before on the last flight. And from here you have the perfect view over the orchid garden. Wow! A game room too. You can go here, play a bit soccer, or you can go here and have a nice pool game. Hey guys, I'm now entering one of many shower cabins here at the Doha International Airport, and wow, take a look. Nice big mirror, everything full of marble. You can have a shaving and a dental kit, and the shower is amazing. I already tried it, rainy shower, really cool feature here. So before or after a long flight, you get refreshed. I'm singing in the rain, I'm singing in the rain. That was definitely a great time here in the Mourjan Garden Lounge. I enjoyed the time and now I'm heading to my gate. Hello.
Hi, morning, traveling to Ho Chi Minh City.
Yes.
I am Mr. Matthews.
Yes.
Thank
you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Time for boarding.
Good morning. Welcome,
Hello.
Mr. Matthews. Thank
Yes.
you once again for flying with us today on this flight.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. My pleasure to assist you. Thank you. Hi, good morning. Welcome aboard.
Hello. Wow, first impressions of the Qsuite. That's amazing, hey. Wow, what a start. I got some fresh mint cola. It's the alcohol-free drink of Qatar Airways, and got a glass of champagne before takeoff. Really nice. Refreshing towel by Tik. That smells really nice. If you know that brand, oh, that is perfect. Nice cool to refresh the face. Now ready for a 7 hours and 15 minutes flight. Door open or close, private. The seat is really comfortable. You have a massage function, flat bed mode for sure. You can go in the TV mode, really nice, and you get a nice 2 pillows and 1 really fluffy blanket. And if you go to sleep, they put a topper on your pillow. Toilet check as always, and hey, this one looks really nice here. Wood, big mirror, then again for the ladies, it's a nice sink here. At the back they have a big mirror, the toilet, and hey, it looks like after every passenger they clean the toilet. Now time to change to the pyjama. It looks really nice and feels really comfortable. Formula 1, my pyjama for tonight, and slippers. Olive oil, the chili one.
Chili?
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Would you like some ketchup or Tabasco or mustard or mayonnaise?
Oh no, everything fine. Can I get just a glass of the French red wine?
For two?
Yes. Thank you very much. Oh, that looks great. Ravioli with mushrooms. Thank you. Very nice, thank you. Time for the late night dinner. Oi, 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 creamy sauce. I'm excited. My food recommendations, if you go with Qatar Airways, ravioli with mushrooms and beef tenderloin. Good meat option and good vegetarian option. Thank you very much. The cheese is really nice displayed here. We have 3 different kind of cheese, not the same than in the last flight with Qatar Airways. Of the Qatar Qsuite is they have the SpaceX Starlink internet for free, and now I'm gonna test it out. What the fuck? Wait, 280. Wow, on an airplane. It's faster than my internet at home. Crazy. Wow. Compared to the old business class of Qatar, that's amazing. Much better, because the old one didn't work. Now I will have my breakfast. I ordered 1-ton noodles, because now I go to Asia and I need to start with an Asian kind of breakfast. After breakfast, it's time for some presents. Amenity Kit by Tik, real leather case, looks really nice, and now we're going to check out what's inside. So let's open that case. Inside we have a face mask from Qatar Airways. Then we have socks for the toilet. Then we have fresh lotion for the body. We have essential face cream, and we have lip balm. Really nice amenity kit. If you need a toothbrush, you will find it on the toilet. And a face mist which smells really nice. We are descending to Ho Chi Minh City, and now it's time for my final rating. Today it's really easy because 10 out of 10 points. Everything was perfect. I tried to find something unsatisfying, but I didn't find something. First of all, the cabin. I'm sure a lot of first class products are not as good as the business class product of Qatar Airways. The Qsuite is amazing. You have so much privacy. You have a big TV. You have a really comfortable bed. 10 out of 10 points. And the food. The food is too perfect. I had the ravioli, really tasty, really yummy, with the nice sauce, and I had the breakfast, it was too. For the drinks, you have a big wine cellar here. Altogether 11 wines. Wow, what should I say more? Nothing more to add. But the most important thing, you can have the best business class product, but if you don't have the right team, will not be that satisfied. And here the crew was 11 out of 10 points. Always friendly, always around, but not too much. Really good. After every toilet use, they clean the toilet. That's how it should be. One thing which you should remember if you book Qatar Airways, not every flight is equipped with the Qatar Qsuite. So take a look, it's written on the page, only book Qatar Qsuite, because the older business class is not that amazing. Really good, but not amazing. And there could be a problem that they change the airplane, like I had that problem, from a Qsuite to a normal business class. But you can change your flight for free to a different flight with the Qsuite. That's a nice gift from them. I hope you liked that video. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, hit the subscribe button. Please leave me a like. It will help my channel grow because the algorithm likes likes. Leave me a comment what airline I should test out next, and I'm sure the next flight will be together with Eve. I wish you all the best. Keep exploring and see you next time.